Imagine creating a fully edited reel with captions, B-roll, transitions, music, and even an AI avatar without opening Premiere Pro, CapCut, or any other editor. Today, I'm going to show you how I went from a single idea to a social-ready video using just one platform.
Hi everyone, welcome to lexaicollab, you go-to destination for discovering the latest and most powerful AI tools. Every week, we test new AI apps, compare cutting-edge models, explore automation workflow, and create practical tutorials and help you save time, boost activity, and stay ahead of the AI revolution. Whether you are a creator, entrepreneur, developer, student, or are simply curious about artificial intelligence, you will find honest reviews, real-world demonstrations, and hidden AI gems and actionable tips you can start using today. If you want to work smarter, create faster, and keep up with the future of AI, you are in the right place. Subscribe to lexaicollab and let's explore the future of artificial intelligence together.
This vid, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create viral short-form videos much faster than the traditional workflow. AI video tools have exploded over the last year, but most of them only solve one piece of the puzzle. Some help you write scripts, others generate images, some create videos, and then you still need another editor to put everything together. I wanted to see if one platform could actually handle the entire workflow from idea to final export. If you've tried making short-form content lately, you know how many tools are usually involved. One tool for AI writing, another for image generation, another for video generation, another for captions, another for music, another for editing. And by the time you're finished, you've spent hours creating one video. That's exactly what VEED is trying to solve. VEED is an all-in-one AI video creation platform built specifically for social media. Instead of switching between 5 or 6 different apps, everything happens inside one workspace. You can generate videos from prompts, create AI avatars, edit videos with AI, add subtitles, transitions, music, voiceovers, and even access leading AI generation models like Veo, Kling, and Seedance without leaving the platform. For this review, I wanted to test whether that promise actually holds up. So instead of bringing in outside tools, I challenged myself to create an entire short-form video using only VEED. I'll start by asking VEED to create a video about 5 AI tools every creator should know. I purposely kept the prompt simple because I wanted to see how much work the AI could do on its own. Instead of giving me a blank timeline, it immediately generates a complete structure, script, scene ideas, B-roll suggestions, subtitles, everything is already organized. The script was surprisingly usable right away. I still changed a few lines to make it sound more like me, but that's a lot easier than starting from a blank page. The scene suggestions also matched the topic pretty well, giving me a solid foundation before I even touched the editor. Now V turns that idea into a complete social video. It automatically creates scenes, matches visuals to the script, generates captions, and builds the first version in minutes. This isn't just text on a screen, it's already starting to look like a finished Instagram reel or TikTok. Of course, AI isn't perfect, some clips worked really well while others weren't exactly what I wanted. But instead of spending hours creating everything manually, I was simply replacing a few scenes and fine-tuning the result. That's a much faster workflow than starting from scratch.
I just saved 12 hours this week using AI tools most people have never heard of. I've tested over 50 AI tools in the last 6 months, and these 5 actually changed how I work.
One feature I really wanted to test is VEED Fabric 1.0. Instead of filming yourself every time, you can upload a single image, add your script, and generate a realistic talking avatar with lip sync and natural movement. I actually tested this with a custom script and the results were better than I expected. The lip sync felt natural, the expressions looked convincing, and the voice matched surprisingly well. It's not going to replace a real presenter for every project, but for tutorials, product demos, online courses, or multilingual content, this could save a huge amount of production time. If you need to update your script later, you simply edit the text and generate a new version instead of setting up your camera all over again. This is where the video starts looking much more polished. VEED automatically adds dynamic subtitles, AI transitions, royalty-free music, sound effects. voiceovers if needed, and everything can still be edited manually if you want more control. I also like that you're not locked into whatever the AI creates. If you don't like a transition, you can change it. If you want different music, you can swap it. If a subtitle style doesn't fit your brand, you can customize it in just a few clicks. That balance between automation and manual editing makes the workflow feel much more flexible. Let's compare the workflow. Normally, I'd spend hours jumping between different AI tools, one for scripting, one for visuals, another for editing, another for captions, another for music. Today, everything happened inside one platform. Idea, script, avatar, editing, subtitles, music, final export, all without changing software. After using it from start to finish, I think that's VEED's biggest advantage. It's not necessarily that every AI feature is the absolute best in its category, it's that everything works together in one place, which removes a lot of friction from the creative process.
I've been seeing this coffee shop all over my feed, so I finally decided to check it out. The first thing I noticed was the atmosphere. It's quiet, the interior has a really clean aesthetic, and there are plenty of comfortable spots if you're planning to work for a few hours.
If you're creating YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, client content, ads, or social media for a business, this workflow makes a lot of sense. It's also useful if you're managing multiple clients or posting content every day because those small time savings really add up over a week. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions and managing complicated editing pipelines, you can handle the entire process in one place. So, is it perfect? Not quite. You'll still want to review the AI generated script, swap out a few visuals, and make small edits before publishing. But that's true for almost every AI tool available today. The difference is that VEED gets you surprisingly close to a finished video in just a few minutes. What impressed me most isn't just that VEED uses AI, it's how everything connects together. Most AI tools solve one problem. VEED solves the entire workflow, from the first idea to a fully edited social-ready video. If you're a creator looking to produce more content in less time, it's definitely worth trying. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave my link in the description and pinned comments below. Let me know what type of AI video you'd create first, and I'll see you in the next one.